Okay, so this is a quick tutorial video how to add sound effects in Blender. And I'm using this character's walk cycle animation using grease pencil to demonstrate how to add sound effects to match the footstep. So move the mouse to the corner of the like a viewport, and once you move the mouse cursor is going to show this white plus sign. So hold down the left button and just drag it up to right around here. And now the viewport is sliced into two. And then the bottom right here, so we go over to this menu. We're gonna change the editor from 3D viewport to video sequencer. And we're gonna, instead of making a new scene, we're gonna bring up this default scene, which is where we at right now. Select this icon and bring up the scene. And now you see the whole channel layers and the timeline is all ready to go. Now I'm going to go to Add, Sound, and I created a custom file sound where I can download my sound effects on. So download this sound effects from like either Pixabay or freesounds.org or any other websites you guys can find. This is a footstep sound effects. I'm gonna add a sound strip, and don't click the left. Don't push the left mouse button, and just drag this to the channel 1, and once the strip is on the channel 1, and then you press the left mouse button, and we're gonna bring this down just a little bit, and I'm gonna start preview the animation. Make sure the sound is working. All right, so the sound is playing really well. And once you scrub through the timeline, you guys can notice that sound is not playing when I'm scrubbing the timeline like this. So most of you guys will do is just a play animation like this, repeating over and over again to make sure the timing is right. But instead of this, I'm gonna go to playback option on the video sequencer here. Select this, and on top of the audio, I'm going to select scrubbing. Scrubbing is checked. Exit out. And when I scrub the timeline, now you guys can hear the sound is playing. I'm just holding down my left mouse click, holding down left mouse to just dragging the sound effect, playing forward and going backward. And I'm gonna match the animation based on this sound effect. So this fifth frame is where the right foot is gonna take a one step. So I'm gonna select all and just okay. So I'm going to match the animation based on this sound effect. I just had a technical issue a couple seconds ago, so I have to turn on the scrolling option again right here on the playback. So this is where my fifth frame is going to take a one step. So I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit, select everything, and then I'm just going to move this out right here, select these 5 frames, and move the timeline to the frame 1, and I'm going to just scale like this. Okay, and now for this one. Frame 18. I'm gonna move the last frame to the frame 18. I'm gonna select all these 4 frames and I'm gonna use the scale tool, just pressing a S on the keyboard. And select this last frame that I did. I'm going to copy and just duplicate by pressing Shift D. And then move it to right here. And you're gonna and here is another footstep. And then select the 3 frames and then scale up to just kind of match the timing. Okay, and for the next one, we're gonna copy all of this previous frames. And if you're really confusing which frame did you actually, and sometimes if you sometimes really get confused which frame did I have to pick, then all you need to do is just press M to just make a marker. This is the for, and it's gonna create the marker right here. This is indicate this make me real. I'm just using a marker to just kind of realize which frames that I did the keyframe, and kind of mumble just for a second. And this is still another steps on frame 10. So I'm gonna add another marker, another one in frame 18. On the frame 28. And before copying a previous keyframes, I'm gonna scrub through, just scrub to the timeline to hear the sound where this character is going to have a next footstep. Select this previous keyframe, just duplicate. I'm gonna end the animation in frame 76, and we're gonna and okay, so let's preview the animation. It's kind of a wonky, but I'm showing you guys the idea. So it's a little wonky, but I'm showing you guys the how the sound is actually helping you guys to animate the characters. And in this tutorial, I show you guys how to add the sound effects and how to preview the sound while scrolling through the timeline. And I really hope this video helps, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Right, see you later.